there, this is Teresa from Teresa's Crochet Shop, and in this video I want to show you how to secure a strand once your piece is already closed. So for example, on this shark, I'm going to be sewing on the gills and the smile, but my piece is already closed, so how do I knot my yarn to secure it so it doesn't pull out? So what you do is insert your needle anywhere in the shark's body and out where you need to sew on the detail. Pull it through, but leave enough yarn for tying in a knot later. Then sew on the details that you want. Okay, now you're done sewing on the details that you want. So to secure your strand, weave your yarn through the shark's body right to the exact same spot where the beginning tail was. Then tie these two ends in a knot. And pull it down inside the body. After you cut off the ends, your yarn is secured and will not pull out. I hope that was helpful. Thanks so much for watching. Happy crocheting!